As India launched Operation Sindoor, currently on a pause, Congress Neta of Maharashtra has something to say. Is this an insult to the forces or simply a political statement? Congress Neta termed the airstrikes on Pakistan as fake, saying it's a video game. That's Nana Patole, Maharashtra Congress leader, saying that India tipped off Pakistan before the strike simply as a video game that happened. India helped Pakistan avoid deaths and losses. That there could have been much more impact. He's again alleging that India already informed Pakistan and that this was like a video game. Let's listen into Nana Patole.
पहलगाम में जो सिंदूर उजाड़ा गया, जो आतंकवादी थे वो आज तक नहीं मिले। व्यापार के लिए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर रोका गया। अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति ट्रम्प ने और एक बार नहीं, एक डजन बार कहा है, पाकिस्तान को बताया गया कि हम कौन से जगह में टारगेट कर रहे हैं, वहाँ से आपके लोगों को हटा दो। तो इसका मतलब है कि कंप्यूटर में जो छोटे बच्चे गेम खेलते हैं वो गेम खेला गया और जो आतंकवादियों ने हमारी बहनों का सिंदूर छीना था उनके बारे में देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने क्यों नहीं बात रखी, ये भी सवाल देश की जनता के सामने है।
So Nana Patole now escalating the Congress BJP war of words. He's basically stating that how India tipped off Pakistan before the strikes. The losses could have been much more massive, but it was because of the sort of strategy of Prime Minister Modi and the government at the centre. So Ritwik Bhalekar joins me for the latest on this to help us understand better. Ritwik, just explain to us what led to Nana Patole saying what he did, because this could actually also be seen as a question mark on the armed forces.
Yes, absolutely. The statement comes in the wake of Rahul Gandhi and Congress continuously raising questions against Operation Sindoor. And in a recent article written by Rahul Gandhi, which also posed some serious applications about the Election Commission, now they have raised questions against the Operation Sindoor against our enemy nation, neighboring nation, Pakistan. Nana Patole was rather saying it in a lighter tone that
Stay on with me because Nana Patole is joining me on the phone line. Nana Patole जी, आपकी जो स्टेटमेंट है काफी कंट्रोवर्शियल लग रही है। क्या आपने आर्म्ड फोर्सेस पर सवाल उठाया है?
मैंने बीजेपी पे आरोप लगाया है। मेरा एक सवाल ऐसा है कि हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री गए 11 साल से पूरी दुनिया में घूम रहे हैं। ऐसे संकट के समय में एक भी दुनिया का देश हमारे साथ खड़ा नहीं हुआ। करोड़ों रुपया खर्चा मोदी जी ने किया। ट्रम्प जी ने कहा कि मैंने व्यापार के लिए इनको दोनों को धमकाया और इसलिए बंद हो गया। बीजेपी के लिए ये वीडियो गेम है, कांग्रेस के लिए देश की अस्मिता का इशू है और इसको अदरवाइज लेकर अपने गलतियों को छुपाने की कोशिश अगर बीजेपी सोशल मीडिया पे करती है और उनके अंधभक्त करते हैं तो ये मैं उसके बारे में अब क्या बोलने का कि मुझे पता नहीं कि मैंने तो वो कहा कि 26 बहनों के हम लोगों के सिंदूर जो लोगों ने उजाड़ा है उसका जवाब तो नहीं दे रहे। कहाँ गए वो आतंकवादी? उनको क्यों नहीं पकड़ा गया? उनको क्यों नहीं पनिशमेंट दी गई?
वीडियो गेम का टर्म आपने क्यों यूज किया? आपको लगता है
क्योंकि बीजेपी के लिए वीडियो गेम है, कांग्रेस के लिए अस्मिता का प्रश्न है।
क्योंकि वीडियो गेम से वो ऐसा माना जा रहा है जिसपे बीजेपी अटैक भी करेगी कि क्या वीडियो गेम आप कह रहे हैं कि देखिए बच्चों की वीडियो गेम है जबकि इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट मिलिट्री स्ट्राइक थी, तो उस पे क्या कहेंगे आप?
नहीं, देश के विदेश मंत्री जब कहते हैं कि हमने जब युद्ध के पहले ही पाकिस्तान को बता दिया था कि हम कहाँ टारगेट करने वाले हैं, वहाँ की फौज, वहाँ की जो व्यवस्था थी हमने हटाने के लिए बोला गया था। तो
जी नाना पटोले जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? All right, Nana Patole ji, thank you very much for speaking. So he's saying, I'm not targeting the armed forces, I'm targeting the government and how they've not been able to get anyone on board as allies and friends. Shaina NC is joining me for the latest on that. Let's try and understand what the ruling party, the alliance, has to say there. Shaina NC, you tell me. At this juncture, when Nana Patole makes a clarification to India Today and says, but I am asking, why did nobody stand with us? We have not been able to get support against Pakistan. Why are my words being twisted?
Well, this is not the first time that Nana Patole has been in the eye of the storm. He is controversy's child, and this has been the longest time that one has seen him. Even when he was the state president of the Congress party, he made preposterous statements without thinking. I would suggest this time for him to think and then speak. Operation Sindoor, contrary to what he thinks, was not some video game. This was the elimination of hubs where Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba sat, whether it was Mudrike or Bahawalpur. And maybe this low mindset of his is such that he has repeated with various comments. It's time for him to engage with his own party leaders like Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari, Salman Khurshid, and the erstwhile Ghulam Nabi Azad, who were part of the delegations which went to 32 nations to explain the impact of Operation Sindoor and India's fight against terror. The Congress party just deflects and sets a false narrative every time there are elections. They know that they are going to lose Bihar. They have no issues. Rahul Gandhi will wake up.
Do you believe, Shaina, that the delegation has an impact? Because that's what the Congress has been asking, that at this juncture, have we been isolated? India told Pakistan about the strikes. We could have had much better impact. But it was what Prime Minister Modi's strategies have failed.
Absolutely not. The opposition is devoid of its basic thought process when it targets the Prime Minister, because the Prime Minister has had the support of 140 crore Indians who know that the Prime Minister's endeavor with Operation Sindoor is to eliminate terror and to give a befitting answer to the act of terror as has been shown by the parties in contention, which is all the opposition parties which have been part of the all-party delegation, as have been when they all met at the all-party delegation. It's been Owaisi and Supriya Sule, Kani Moiji, all were invited. So it's not a selective process. And for Mr. Nana Patole, I would only want to say, please don't disrespect the army or the government of the day.
All right, thank you very much for now. As more details are coming in, we'll wait for further reactions from the BJP especially, that's already jumped on. First clarification from Nana Patole has come in as well, that he's targeting the PM, he's targeting the PM Modi-led government, not the armed forces. What will this showdown look like in the days to come?